Hello everybody, a very warm welcome to Smiley Kids channel. Today we are going to discuss Class 8 Science, Chapter 3, Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. We are going to cover the full chapter. So let's get started. What are synthetic fibers? The fibers which are made by human beings are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are also known as artificial fibers. Why are they known as artificial fibers? Because we are not getting these synthetic fibers from the nature. We are making it ourselves. So they are called as artificial fibers. So the fibers which are made by human beings are called synthetic fibers. Introduction to monomers and polymers. Before moving ahead to monomers and polymers, I would like to draw a small chain. Here we go, our chain is ready. The chain is consisting of many beads. One bead is one unit. One bead means monomer. Mono means single and mer means unit. Fine. This whole chain is consisting of many beads, right? So this chain is an example of polymer. Polymer means many units. Poly means many. Mer means units. Many units. So monomer is single unit and polymer is many units. Now let's take a look at this. One flower is a single unit. So one flower is monomer. Right? The whole garland is made up of many flowers. This garland is an example of polymer. Garland is polymer. In the same way, a synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Synthetic fiber is also a polymer. It is made up of many repeating units. So synthetic fibers are also polymers. Moving ahead to the next topic, types of synthetic fibers. The different types of synthetic fibers used are rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. They depend upon the types of chemicals used for manufacturing synthetic fibers. Let's learn about rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic in detail. Rayon. Rayon resembles silk. Because silk is expensive, attempts were made to make the silk artificially. The result for artificial silk is rayon. Rayon was obtained from chemical treatment of wood pulp. Let's see few characteristics of rayon. Rayon is cheaper than silk. Rayon can be woven like silk fibers. And rayon can be dyed in a wide variety of colors. Now let's see a few uses of rayon. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, or it is mixed with wool to make carpets. Apart from that, rayon is also used in clothes, towels, curtains, blankets and carpets. Nylon is also a man-made fiber. Nylon is prepared from coal, water and air. Guess what? Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. Characteristics of nylon. Nylon is so strong that it is used to make nylon parachutes and also the ropes for rock climbing. Nylon is elastic. Nylon is lightweight, lustrous and it is easy to wash. Nylon has become very popular for making clothes. Now let's see few uses of nylon. We use many articles made from nylon such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Did you know that a nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire? Polyester. Poly plus ester. Polyester is actually made up of repeating units of a chemical called an ester. Polyester do not wrinkle easily but it is easy to wash. And polyester is suitable for making dress material. Examples of polyester. Terryline. Terryline is a popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. PET. Its full form is polyethylene terephthalate. PET is a very familiar form of polyester. It is used for making bottles, utensils, wires and many other useful products. So the uses of polyester are polyester shirts and dresses, PET jars, PET bottles, utensils, films and wires. Before moving ahead, I would like to introduce you to our channel Smiley Kids. You can check the playlist section of our channel Smiley Kids for more videos. Acrylic. Acrylic is another type of synthetic fiber. Acrylic resembles wool. Acrylic is cheap, it dries quickly and it is easy to wash. It is lightweight, soft, warm and it can be dyed into variety of colors. As the wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, acrylic is more durable and affordable, which makes them more popular than natural fibers. Acrylic can be used in sweaters, shawls and blankets in winters. What are the differences between natural and synthetic fibers? Natural fibers, they are made from nature. Synthetic fibers, they are man-made. Natural fibers, less durable. Synthetic fibers, more durable. Natural fibers, natural colors. Synthetic fibers can be dyed into wide variety of colors. Natural fibers are unpopular, whereas synthetic fibers are popular. Natural fibers are eco-friendly, whereas synthetic fibers are non-eco-friendly. Few examples of natural fibers are wool, cotton, jute, silk, etc. Few examples of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, acrylic, polyester, etc. Plastics. Plastics are also polymers like synthetic fibers. All plastics do not have the same type of arrangement of units. In some it is linear, in some it is cross-linked. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes, as you can see in these figures. Do you know how is this possible? In fact, plastic is easily moldable. That means it can be in any shape. It can be turned into any shape. There are mainly two types of plastics, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. So let's learn about them in detail. Thermoplastics. The plastics which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. Examples of thermoplastics are polythene and PVC. The full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. These are used for manufacturing toys, combs and various types of containers. Thermosetting plastics. The plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. These plastics are said to be thermosetting plastics. Examples of thermosetting plastics are bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils, etc. And now talking about melamine. Melamine is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. Characteristics of plastics. Plastics are non-reactive. Plastics are lightweight, strong and durable. Plastics are poor conductors. Let's learn about these characteristics of plastics in detail. Plastics are non-reactive. You already know that metals like iron get rusted when exposed to moisture and air. But plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corroded easily. So, plastics are non-reactive. Plastics are lightweight, strong and durable. Since plastic is very lightweight, strong and durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes, it is used for various purposes. You know what? Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Plastics are cheaper than metals. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastic. Today, life without plastics cannot be imagined. Whatever we get from outside is either wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags. Home or outside, plastic is everywhere. The waste created by plastics is not environment friendly. On burning, plastics release poisonous gases. On dumping in the ground, they may take years to degenerate. This is because of their non-biodegradable nature. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is termed as non-biodegradable. In order to overcome environmental pollution, we need to remember the 4R principle. It is reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Reduce the amount of plastics used. Instead, use cotton or jute bags. Reuse the plastic for further use. Recycle. It is better to recycle plastic waste. Recover. If the plastic remains after it is even reused and recycled, we can use it to generate energy at our waste energy plant. This is known as recovery. So don't forget 4R principle and be a responsible citizen. Thank you friends. Hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, do like, share, comment and for all the more updates on all the learning needs, subscribe our channel Smiley Kids.